Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching, and welcome to our Countdown to Christmas vlog number 4. And in today's tip, I want to share with you a way that you can stand out from your competition over this festive period.
On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Often when working with clients, we look at ways in which they can stand out from the competition by using a strategy that was created by an Australian dentist by the name of Paddy Lund. And the strategy is critical non-essentials. Now, critical non-essentials are things that you do in your business that are not strictly necessary in order for you to operate your business. But it's how you ensure the quality of your customer service and experience and make sure it's superior to that of your competition. How can you go that little bit extra? How can you give that extra mile, so to speak? And in Paddy Lund's business, they bake dental buns. They have an all singing, all dancing cappuccino machine. They serve a huge variety of different teas in china cups. You can have your own care nurse. Now, can I just remind you, this is a dental practice. Now, none of those things that I've just mentioned are necessary to run a dental practice, but it's what makes this practice stand head and heels above all other practices. And it's no wonder they have such a huge waiting list of people wanting to be treated at their practice. So let's play on that a little. Instead of critical non-essentials, at this time of year, let's call them Christmas non-essentials. Now ask the question, what could you do to get your customers saying, you know what, they just care about me a little bit more than any other business? So if your competition, for instance, are sending e-cards, could you be different? Maybe have your own card designed and printed, or just imagine their surprise if you were to go even further and take the time to handwrite the cards. What about calling them instead of emailing them and wish them a really sincere happy Christmas? Or better still, why not deliver the message face to face? And to make sure it's COVID safe, do the message by video message. How about sending all your customers and clients a gift and just prove that you do it better than anybody else? And not the generic give everybody a bottle of port type of gift. Instead, make sure the gift is an individual fit for your customer. And to do that, you need to understand and know your customer. So for instance, what are their hobbies? What are their interests? Which sports teams or individuals do they follow? This knowledge helps you design your critical non-essentials specifically for them. And what about your team? After all, in most ways, they are your most important customers. And guess what? If you look after your team, they'll look after your customers. And your customers, well, they'll look after your business. So what are your Christmas non-essentials? What are those little things and those touches that make a massive difference that show your customers you truly care about them and will ensure your customers remember you first in 2021? It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. I'll see you tomorrow for Countdown to Christmas tip number 5. Now you go out there and make it a cracking day.